When fluid handling is critical, every second matters. That's why Kerr Pump Supply designs and builds packaged pump systems and skids, complete, custom-engineered solutions that keep your operation running efficiently, reliably, and on time. Each system integrates multiple components: pumps, valves, instrumentation, controls, and more into a single pre-assembled unit. Whether you need chemical dosing, heat transfer, mixing, or filtration, Kerr delivers a turnkey process solution that's ready to perform. Because every skid is pre-wired, pre-tested, and quality checked, installation is fast, startup is smooth, and downtime is minimized. Compact designs reduce your footprint, while smart controls and optional variable frequency drives optimize energy use and lower operating costs from day one. And with Kerr, every system is engineered specifically for your application, tailored to flow rate, pressure, and site conditions, with easy maintenance and long-term serviceability built in. Kerr designs and builds systems including filtration and treatment, metering and dosing, heat exchangers, engineered vacuum and blower systems. These packaged solutions support industries across the spectrum: oil and gas, pharmaceuticals, food and beverage, chemical processing, power generation, as well as water and wastewater treatment. But Kerr's commitment doesn't end with delivery. Our team provides expert engineering consultation, rigorous quality assurance and factory testing, support during installation and startup, spare parts, repairs, and maintenance services, comprehensive training and documentation. For smart, scalable solutions that work from day one and last for the long haul, trust Kerr Pump Supply.